A country in northern Europe that is known for its fjords, mountains, and forests. Its capital and largest city is Oslo. The official language is Norwegian, and the currency is the Norwegian krone. Norway is a parliamentary constitutional monarchy with a king as head of state and a prime minister as head of government. The country is known for its high standard of living and strong welfare state. If you are planning a trip to Norway, then this video will help you to find the best places.
Number 1. Bergen. Bergen is a city and municipality in western Norway. It is the second largest city in Norway. Bergen is located on the west coast of Norway, surrounded by mountains and fjords, and has a long history as a major international port. The city is also known for its beautiful architecture, particularly the wooden houses in the UNESCO-listed Bryggen waterfront area. Bergen is also a cultural center and is home to several museums, art galleries, and festivals. Bergen is also a popular tourist destination known for its natural beauty, outdoor activities, and cultural heritage.
Number 2. Svalbard, located in the Arctic Ocean, between Norway and the North Pole. It is part of Norway and has a population of around 3,000 people. The largest settlement and administrative center is Longyearbyen. The archipelago is known for its rugged terrain, glaciers, and Arctic wildlife, such as polar bears and reindeer. Svalbard is also home to several research stations and a global seed vault, which stores samples of crops from around the world to ensure their preservation in case of a global disaster, and also so much famous among adventurous travel who are really fond of finding polar bear or want to see once in their lifetime. Number 3. Oslo, the capital and most populous city of Norway. It is located in the southeastern part of the country, on the shore of the Oslo Fjord. The city is the economic and governmental center of Norway. Oslo is also known for its cultural attractions, such as the Munch Museum and the Viking Ship Museum, as well as its outdoor recreational opportunities, including skiing in the nearby mountains. Number 4. Lofoten Island, an archipelago in Norway, located in the Arctic Circle. It is known for its scenic beauty, including towering mountains, fjords, and white sandy beaches. The islands are also home to a diverse array of wildlife, including sea eagles and seals. The area is popular for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and skiing, as well as for its traditional culture, including the famous Lofoten cod fishery. The Lofoten Islands are accessible by boat, car, and by plane. Number 5. Sognefjord. Sognefjord is the longest and deepest fjord in Norway. It is located in the western part of the country, running through the region of Sogn-og-Fjordane. The fjord is surrounded by steep mountains and is known for its picturesque landscapes and natural beauty. It is also home to several small towns and villages, as well as the Jotunhaumen National Park. Sognefjord is a popular destination for tourists, who come to enjoy activities such as hiking, fishing, and boat tours. Number 6. Ålesund. It is a coastal town located on several islands in the Sunnmøre region, and is known for its Art Nouveau architecture and picturesque setting. Ålesund is also an important fishing and shipping center, and is home to several museums and cultural institutions. The town suffered a major fire in 1904, which destroyed much of the old town and led to a rebuilding effort that employed the Art Nouveau style. The Ålesund Aquarium is one of the most popular attractions in the town. Number 7. Tromsø, a city in northern Norway, located above the Arctic Circle. It is the largest city in the county of Troms and is known for its natural beauty, with mountains, fjords, and the northern lights. Tromsø is also a cultural and educational center, with the University of Tromsø and the Arctic Cathedral among its notable landmarks. It is also a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and fishing. Number 8. Trondheim, an important cultural, educational, and economic center in central Norway, and it is known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, and lively student population. Some of the notable attractions in the city include the Nidaros Cathedral, the Archbishop's Palace, and the Sverresborg Trondelag Folk Museum. One of the most iconic landmarks in Trondheim is the Nidaros Cathedral, a Gothic-style cathedral that was built on the site of a pagan temple. The cathedral is the most important pilgrimage site in Norway, and is also the burial place of several Norwegian kings, including Olav II, who was later canonized as Saint Olav. Number 9. Flam, a village in the municipality of Orland in Sogn-og-Fjordane County, Norway. It is located at the inner end of the Orlandsfjorden, a branch of the Sognefjorden. The village is a popular tourist destination, known for the Flamsbana Railway, which takes visitors on a scenic journey through the mountains and fjords. The village also offers hiking and outdoor activities, as well as opportunities to visit nearby attractions such as the Stegerstein Viewpoint and the Flamskatunnelen, a road tunnel that cuts through the mountains. Number 10, Kristiansand. It is the 5th largest city in Norway and is situated on the southern coast of the country, known for its beautiful beaches and coastal scenery. The city is surrounded by many small islands, making it a popular destination for boating and sailing. Additionally, Kristiansand has a rich cultural history and is home to several museums and historic sites, such as the Kristiansand Cathedral and the Kristiansand Museum. The city is also a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking and cycling.
We hope you liked this video, and if you need more video with AI voice dubbed, then make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below and share this video with your friends who want to explore. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.